What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we are here in this local pond. I've been here before. You guys have seen me here with my buddy Hunter. Looks like we got some lily pads going on. The water's clear. I'm gonna be basic and I'm gonna use this Senko wacky rigged. And we're gonna try out this frog that caught me some fish last time we were here. Depending on how that goes, we may switch it up. We might keep it the same. Let's just hope we get some fish on. I'll switch you guys over to the chesty. Let's try that out. Let her drop to the bottom. Pop, pop. Oh, here we go. Got one. That's first fish of the day. Not a bad fish. Can't complain. First fish of the day, nothing big, probably about a pound. Yeah, like I said, all we had to do there was throw the lure down into the bottom, let it sink to the bottom, give it a couple pops, reel in your slack, repeat the process, and eventually, more than likely with the Senko, you're always gonna catch a fish doing that. Not a terrible first fish. Let's go ahead and get her back in the water. That seems to be working. We're gonna try that for a little bit longer. Looks like he spit my, my worm, so we're gonna go ahead and get a new one on there, and we'll get back in the water. All right, same process. Just let it drop to the bottom. Pop, pop. When fishing, you can really never go wrong with the Senko. Oh, there we go. I just had a big hit, bro. We'll just try a straight out cast. Let her drop once again. Just give her a couple pops. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Got one. Another decent one. About the same size as the last one. Looks a little healthier. This guy's on crack. Right in the side of the mouth. That's where you want it. Let's get you on hook, buddy. Perfect. There we go. Oh my God. He was about to pull the rod out of my hand. It's a tiny guy. That's a dark fish. Third fish of the day on the Senko. Okay, here we go. Yep. Another one. Back-to-back casts. Just doing the same thing I've been doing. A little bit bigger than the last one. Oh yeah. We're killing them right now. It's almost instantly after I throw it over there as well. Just let it sink. Okay, yep. Oh my God, yo, that was huge. Dude, that thing was huge. Bro, he snapped my line. All right, guys, we tied on this spinnerbait. See if we can go out a little bit deeper, bring some fish in. Try it out. Got one. There we go. Come on, buddy. All right, so it looks like the spinnerbait's doing nice. It's a nice healthy fish. Got a belly on him. Spinnerbait worked. Oh man, look at that. Hook came right off. Decent fish, definitely healthiest fish of the day. Oh yeah. Let's get back out now. There we go. Got another back-to-back cast. This one feels pretty nice. Oh, he's running at me. All right, let's get you back in the water, girl. So when you're throwing the spinnerbait, a lot of the times it's kind of like a chatterbait. When you're throwing the spinnerbait, you're not gonna feel it hit really. It's more or less gonna be dead weight that hits your rod and it's just gonna start pulling. I mean, you'll know it's a fish. Sometimes I guess you could mistake it as a, you know, getting snagged on grass, but you'll feel it's tossing and turning with the head. So it looks like spinnerbait's doing us pretty good. Looks like we picked a good color. Let's get her back out there. Oh, as soon as it hit the water, bro. That's a decent one. He hit that as soon as it hit the water. Healthy fish too. Not terrible at all. Let's go. We're on them now. Later, bud. Oh man. Oh hey, I found that guy's lure. Check that out, guys. This guy lost a lure over there. Current must have pushed it over here. Let's go give it back to him. Hey, what color was that torpedo you lost?
Kind of orange, yellow.
Is this it? That's crazy. You said this one was your favorite one too, right?
Yep.
There you go, brother.
They hit it hard.
All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you did enjoy the video, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, comment on the video, give me some feedback. Let me know what kind of challenges you guys would like me to do, and I'll see you guys next time.